How to change the download quality on Deezer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the download quality on Deezer app. So first thing we do is we go to the app, and as you can see, this is the home page. Now you go to the top corner here, click on this icon, and then go to audio, and after that you will find this option here, download quality, and you can change it to basic or standard, and also you have the download via mobile data. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you.